first open a Fusion 360, and then make a sketch and get a center circle diameter. So first we get a 100 millimeter, and then we move it upward. So we move it a 50 mm. So as you can see, we will move it, and then so first click the circle and then command move for 50, and then go back to the top view, get a center circle diameter again. So we put a center circle diameter 20, and then we will view it, and we will go to the right hand view, and then we will go to loft first and second. So we will click the circle that we made, so we will make a cone, and then we will make it a shell. The thickness is 3 mm, so we will get a cone, and then we manufacture it. We make a simulation, and then get the tools. So we got the tools, and then begin the simulation. So as you can see, we make a simulation. So that's it. So as you can see, the tool bit is moving upward. So make a simulation. That's all. Thank you.